Bye, Mum. Drive safe.
There really is no feeling like it. You've got your first car and you've got your freedom. Until it all comes undone. Did you know driving on illegal tyres could land you with a fine of up to £2,500 and 3 penalty points per tyre? Half of young drivers don't realise they're legally responsible for the condition of their tyres, irrespective of whether they own the vehicle. Your freedom is your responsibility, but it's also yours to lose. Neglecting your tyres could have serious repercussions. It wasn't someone else's job, it was yours. Tyre safety is your responsibility. Don't lose your licence over something you could have checked. And if you find something, don't ignore it. 1 minute you've got the world at your feet, but it could be so easily taken away by something so preventable.